the accessories you will receive. Before using this machine, please remember to remove the plug under the water tank, otherwise it may cause leaking. Fill the tank with drinking water and reinstall it. Do not exceed the max mark. Plug it and turn the machine on. Flashing screen means the machine is preheating. After a few seconds, they rate all steady on. The preheating is done. Now it's available to brew coffee now. Prepare a coffee cup and turn the side knob to the steam position to clean the steam wand. After the 15-second preheating process, turn off the hot water. Please choose the filter according to your needs and install it on the funnel for ground coffee. Install it on the coffee machine without any grounding coffee to preheat your funnel and cups. And press the coffee button to let it brew. Your machine is ready. Start making coffee quickly.